Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright everyone, you don't know who's this. This is the Skilla, and we have a request video from a viewer that states that whenever police officers do something good, them don't give them the respect and thanks them deserve. Now here we have a robbery scene of a man with a plastic gun about to do some form of robbery, but the police them hold him. All of this done in Trinidad and Tobago. Alright, so bear in mind that some of this scene might not be suitable for everyone, you know what I mean? So viewer discretion advised, and if you like how I present the video to you, let me know. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Please observe.
I don't know. I'm roll over. Sit up. We have to get off this.
Which part exactly is happened? Exactly? How? Don't worry, that's a lot of work to do, man.
Chim.
Just as the Bible tells you good and bad.
T-face all there. Looking to rob drivers this hour in the morning. PH drivers. Looking for honest dollar to carry for the family. Look. Chim good. Yeah, all there. Thanking all the officers all there for assisting the PH driver applying the taxi from Port of Spain to San Juan. All there, I want to highly recommend them. All there. Thanks you for the assistance for this suspect here who looking to rob plastic toy gun. Look his face all there. Watch his face properly all there. Watch his face. Open your eye. Open your eye. Yeah, all there. Support to the officers. Good job. Good response. Nice.